Alright, welcome back. We are back hunting again. It is opening day of the Indiana spring turkey season. Took the day off work, decided to sneak up here, see if we can't shoot a bird. I usually don't take too many vacation days during turkey season, but didn't want to miss the opener. A little chilly today, a little colder than I wanted it to be, but we'll see if that affects their movement at all. Tucked in the blind here today, I do have my bow with me. I'm hoping to be able to get a shot with my bow. I've got my decoys set out here nice and close. It's worked a few times in the past. I do have my shotgun here as a backup in case they don't come in close enough, or if I have to get out of the blind, go set up on one of these ridges here behind me. We'll see here, see what we see. Let's settle in. I heard one bird way southwest. Wasn't very close, so we'll see if we hear anything and hopefully get a bird here. It's about 8 o'clock. I haven't seen anything yet. Last 30 minutes or so, I think I've heard a couple of faint gobbles way south, way off the property on the neighbors, maybe even, I don't know how far, but it's a couple hundred yards at least over the fence. So it's been a quiet morning. Haven't seen anything, no shots in the area, nothing. So I think the cold weather might have them, down and quiet a little bit. We'll give it a couple more hours and see what we see. exciting in a hurry. I looked back behind me to the south where I've been hearing, where I thought I'd been hearing those gobbles, and saw a whole flock of turkeys walking through the woods. Best I could tell, it was one gobbler and about a dozen hens up on this lane here. He popped out on the lane and saw my decoys, and he fanned out for about 5 seconds, and then he just put his fan down and kept on walking through the woods, and all of his hens followed him. They crossed the lane out in front of me, went through the grass. They were headed over toward Dad. He's about a couple hundred yards to the west. I don't know if they were headed down towards his blind or if they looked like they were going to cross probably a little bit too far north. So we'll see. They looked like they knew where they were going. I tried giving him a couple of scratches, but there's no way I'm going to pull a gobbler off of a dozen hens to come down here to see this Jake and Ed. We'll sit tight and see if we see anything else.
Well, that turned out to be an okay day. Had a couple of Jakes come in there and try to commit suicide. Opening day, I'm not going to shoot a Jake. We'll let them go. Hopefully they don't make that same mistake on the last day of the season. We'll give her another shot on Saturday. Weather's supposed to be quite a bit warmer. High was like 40 today. I think they're talking mid to upper 60s by the weekend. So looking forward to that, see if the birds are moving and gobbling a little bit better. But had a decent day today. No birds. We'll give them another shot on the weekend. Thanks for watching.